assessment up to a foot of snow is actually what I am hearing from residents here in Metuchen. One resident just told me he shoveled 8 inches out of his driveway this morning, but he was smiling. He was happy about it and really welcoming the snow. I want to give you a live look behind me right now, guys, so you can see for yourself. It is really, really beautiful out here in Metuchen. You can see that these are gorgeous, gorgeous snow-covered trees. These cafes are filled with people having hot chocolate this morning. I stepped into one of them. You know, people are really in a good mood because the snow out here, it is soft, it's fluffy, it's stunning really, and it's not that cold either. So if you are heading out this morning, you know, into your front lawn or into your driveway, it's quite pleasant to be outside. Where it is not pleasant though, the highways. If you are out there on the roads, guys, this morning, please take your time. The conditions were okay for us. We just drove in about an hour ago from Midtown Manhattan to here in New Jersey. You know, the roads were a bit slick. They were a little bit wet, but it was definitely doable. But if you are outside, it's worth slowing down. Stay inside if you can, but if you have to head out of the house, it's definitely the day to make a snowman. Again, we spoke to some residents here. Let's hear more from them this morning.
Surprised it was this much snow, so I had to go out and shovel early this morning. It did kind of put a damper on my travel plans a little bit earlier, but I'll be traveling up to Pennsylvania later today to go skiing around 12 o'clock. So hopefully everything will be cleared by then.
So if you are heading outside today, like I said, head out to your front lawn, make a snowman. This is the perfect condition of snow to do that. If you're inside, get yourself a hot chocolate, maybe sit by the fire. I'm definitely going to go into one of these beautiful cafes and get myself a hot chocolate between these hits.